Welcome back. I'm in one of the exhibitions in Ludhiana, and trust me, this video will take you back to the memory lanes. Let's begin. I think out of all, this is one of the best stalls that I came across. I liked it for various reasons. First of all, this is kind of an extinct art, and people those who have been traveling the world, they know it all, that this is called stained glass. Originally, you must have spotted them in different kind of churches, especially in European Catholic churches. You must have spotted already. It is very popular, especially in Italy and France. If you can recall and go back to the memory lanes, you will realize these stained glasses were very popular, handmade, and people used to craft different images, right from Jesus Christ to the Last Supper to the flowers and decoration used for various purposes. That includes panels and other things. But this art is getting extinct now. But thanks to this company, the name of the company is Khas Glasses. I'm not sure they know me or I know them personally, but I like it because they were in the exhibition. Look at the beautiful ceiling they have there created. So this has a vintage touch to it. Let me explain this to you now. Stained glasses are supposed to be meant in a particular way. A sheet of glass, and they used to draw these lines, and they used to put these kind of lines and then fill with the paint. But this is actually modified to suit today's modern lifestyle and modern philosophy, because it's easy to maintain. So what they have done, basically they have created a sheet with the help of brass. I'll ask somebody, madam, just इसमें मुझे बताएं, ये क्या मटेरियल है?
सर ये स्टेन ग्लास है विद मेटल वर्क. द मेटल इज प्योर जिंक. इसमें हमने डेकोरेटिव ग्लास, अंदर हमने ओरिजिनल स्टेन ग्लास यूज किया है, कलर्ड वाला. ओके. एंड कोई भी डिजाइन आप इसमें कस्टमाइज करवा सकते हैं.
Alright. So my concern was basically to ask you about the design. So it is not traditionally the way you get to see in European countries, where you have those traditionally hand painted cards and braids. These are the minusculously designed, very meticulously designed, easy to maintain, a grill given in the sandwich form. There are two glasses, stained glasses, and this one. This has got two forms. One is the front sheet and the back sheet, so your glass is safe and secured, and of course has different material. Now the UJs, this can be made in different sizes, but when we talk about UJs, this can be used as a partition, as a door, as a window, or this can be used as a, I guess, this can be used in the balcony railing as well. This is brass, pure brass, and look at the door. All right, so इसमें डिज़ाइन का कस्टमाइजेशन भी हो जाता है ना, किसी भी तरह का हम डिज़ाइन कस्टमाइजेशन कराते हैं. All right, I just loved it, and I'm sure this can be used as railing as well. Slowly this art was fading out from our country, but thanks to the company that is reintroducing it. There are a couple of companies in Delhi as well, but trust me, the kind of work they have done is impeccable. Meticulously done work. Please try to use them in your neoclassical and classical homes. This will look very nice. And hand painted, there's a possibility to have beveled glasses. You see, this is not a straight glass sheet. This has got a different texture. This has got a different texture. So different textures can be used. You can use them for partition, doors, windows, and of course you can use them for ceiling as well. Let me show you the ceiling. Traditionally it was originated for ceiling too. Let me show you. This is the one. I'm going to give you the number of the gentleman, and let me take you to the owner's card. For more details, you can always get in touch with Paramjit ji. I did not get to meet him, but this is his card, and the number is being flashed here. This is the number. If you like this work, you can always write in the comment section. Probably they will respond. Let me see. They have created a very well elaborated folder. You can have this multifunctional doors, multi-folding doors, different kind of ceilings, and of course sliders as well. Thank you.